Do you want to dress up your office or workshop with some indirect lighting? Here's a quick, easy way to do it for real cheap. I made a field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. Now, the first thing I had to do is purchase an LED strip at my local IKEA. I'll have a link to a comparable product in the description. Next, I purchased a 12 by 24 sheet of plexiglass and I cut it down into 2-inch strips. Then I drilled pilot holes because you don't want to crack it, and I screwed it to the back of the workbench. Now you'll notice this was part of the drywall repair project that I had on my last video. Once all the drywall was sanded smooth and dust free, then I peeled off the backing off the peel and stick LED strip and applied it all the way across. I gave it about a ½ inch down from the top of the plexiglass. I didn't want to be able to see the lights, I just wanted to have it reflect with an ambient glow up on the wall. I peeled and stuck that in place. And I pushed the bench back in position. You could do this with your workbench or with your desk. That plexiglass keeps the dust from falling back there. Then with the workbench in position, then it's time to find the right color choice. Now you want to have contrasting colors. That's why I went with the orange LED and this ambitful in aqua. I think it pops rather nicely, don't you? I could choose any multitude of colors of this guy and brightness. I could even have the LEDs in disco mode. So I get it all in position, and this is my very first time shooting with the new light arrangement. I'm not using the overhead lighting, and I'm not even lighting the logo. Let me try that. Does that wash out the lighting effect? It might. I might need something a little brighter on the LED. It was that easy, and I've got so many color options. What colors do you think I should go with? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.